Have you ever wondered whether technical conferences are still worth attending? Today, research papers are available online, webinars are only a click away, LinkedIn helps us connect globally, and AI can summarize technical information in seconds. So, why do thousands of water professionals still travel across cities, countries, and continents to attend conferences every year? The answer goes beyond technical presentations. Conferences can shape careers, create opportunities, build professional networks, and connect us with people and ideas that may influence our work for years to come. In this video, we will explore the role of technical conferences in career development, how they have evolved since COVID, how emerging technologies are changing the conference experience, and finally, what the future may hold for professional events in water engineering. Stay with me. At their core, technical conferences are much more than a collection of presentations. They are concentrated environments for learning, networking, collaboration, and career development. The first obvious benefit is knowledge exchange. Conferences often provide access to new research, emerging technologies, and practical case studies long before they appear in journals or industry guidelines. But perhaps the greatest value comes from the people. Many of the most valuable professional relationships are formed through informal conversation in hallways, during coffee breaks, at exhibition booths, or over dinner after a technical session. These interactions can lead to collaborations, mentoring relationships, job opportunities, consulting work, and lifelong professional connections. The benefits also vary across career stages. For early career engineers, conferences help build professional identity, confidence, networks, and of course job opportunities. For mid-career professionals, they provide opportunities to establish technical leadership, plan job transitions, develop collaborations, and expand professional influence. And finally, for senior professionals, conferences become platforms for mentoring, shaping industry direction, and contributing to professional standards and policies. Looking back at my own career, I can see how the role of conferences has evolved at different stages. As a PhD student, I attended 3 international conferences. Those events gave me the opportunity to present my work to the broader research community, establish myself as a young researcher, and most importantly, build confidence in communicating my research. Later, as an academic and researcher, conferences became a platform for finding collaborators, developing research partnerships, and building the reputation and visibility of my research team. Today, as a principal engineer, I see conferences through a different lens. Industry conferences help me stay informed about emerging practices, changes in standards and policies, and provide valuable opportunities to connect with practitioners facing similar challenges. For me, the value of conferences has changed over time, but it has never diminished. The conference landscape changed dramatically during the COVID pandemic. Almost overnight, events that had operated exclusively in person moved online. The result was a larger-scale experiment that revealed both the strengths and weaknesses of virtual conferences. On the positive side, virtual events significantly improved accessibility. Professionals could participate from anywhere in the world without travel costs or time away from work. Sessions could also be recorded and viewed later, creating a permanent knowledge resource. However, something important was lost. Virtual conferences struggled to replicate the spontaneous networking, informal discussions, and the human interactions that often generate the greatest long-term value. As a result, most major conferences have now adopted hybrid models, combining in-person participation with virtual access. Artificial intelligence is now beginning to reshape conferences as well. AI can recommend relevant sessions, match attendees with potential collaborators, generate presentation summaries, assist with language translation, and help participants navigate large conference programs more efficiently. But despite all these advances, AI cannot fully replace human interaction. Algorithms can recommend whom you should meet, but they cannot replicate the trust built during a face-to-face conversation. They can summarize a presentation for you, but they cannot reproduce the insights gained from discussing that presentation with the speaker afterwards. So, what does the future look like? Looking ahead, the most likely future is neither fully virtual nor fully in person. It could be a more sophisticated hybrid model. We may see greater use of AI-driven personalization, virtual participation options, real-time translation, and even immersive technologies such as virtual reality. However, the core purpose of conferences will remain unchanged, bringing professionals together to exchange knowledge, build relationships, and advance profession. Technology will enhance conferences, not replace them. The key takeaway is this: technical conferences are not simply about attending presentations. They are about building professional capital. The knowledge gained during conferences is valuable, but the relationships formed, collaborations initiated, and opportunities discovered often create the greatest long-term impact. For early career professionals, conferences can accelerate growth and open doors. For experienced practitioners, conferences can provide opportunities to lead, mentor, and influence the future of the industry. And in an increasingly digital world, the ability to connect with people remains one of the most valuable professional skills of all. The future of conferences may look different from the past, but their importance to the water engineering profession is unlikely to disappear anytime soon. I hope you have enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any thoughts or experience to share, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.